Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Doing something little special today. I just got the media mod for the GoPro 9. This has been out for a little bit, of course, as you know. They've already have the GoPro 10 out. I bought this about a year or so ago, mainly for, YouTube channel and doing SUPER73 stuff. But as you guys know, using this with the SUPER73 and the wind, because you're going 20 miles an hour or so, you can't hear audio very well at all. So, and I was hesitant to spend money because it's like, you know what? One, I've spent like over 300 bucks on this. I'm cheap. I feel like this should work, but maybe I was being unrealistic. And so I decided, what the hell? I had some points or whatever because I had the subscription. I thought, let me get this, see if this really does help, especially riding the bike. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at this thing. I think these are like 80 bucks, which is, again, a lot. What do you do? It's a nice product. I don't have qualms with the issue, but it's like, it's just expensive, dude. Let's open this bad boy up. Of course, this damn box. They put these tape on here that's like, okay, I know this is thrilling video. Half of you have decided to bounce out. You're like, no, I'm not gonna watch this dude open a damn box. Okay, here we go. So here's what you get inside. You get this little handsome box, and we get some goodies. Okay, let's take a look at this. We got some user manuals, little like warranty deals. We get the I don't know what they call this. What do they call this, like the system, this like GoPro system? I don't know, but it's the clip with another screwdriver guy. These things, I don't know what they're called, but the GoPro connector deals. So you get one of those, which I've got like 8 of these, so that's fine. Remember, I had that chest mount and I have a head mount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this with the chest mount and see how that works. Let's see if it like sounds better. And then here's the guy. So this is 80 bucks worth, guys. What the freak? It's so silly. The whole deal with this is it has this directional mic. There's a microphone for the front and a separate microphone in the back. And you can set it for whichever you want. There's also this little windshield that's supposed to help. Blah, blah, blah. We'll see if this even freaking works and how much better. And if it's not that great, well, I can't return it because I didn't get it on Amazon, so I'm stuck with it. What else is nice, though, is you can connect to an external mic. There is a 3.5 jack here. You have your USB-C here to connect to power and other little goodies. There's even a micro USB. So you can connect to goodies, your lights. There's a little fixture here for your lights and stuff. It does make it bigger, as you can tell. It's going to make it more chunkier. But we'll give it a freaking shot, and we'll see how this works. And I'll have to figure out how to open this. It does not make it waterproof. That's one thing I did here. That this, you cannot take this, and this goes in the ocean. This cannot. Once I connect this bad boy, I cannot do that. Plus, I have to remove the door. So I don't even know how to do that, but I'm gonna have to figure out how to remove this door and connect it. So I'm gonna power it up, we're gonna connect it, and we're gonna do some tests. We're gonna run the bike with this, and we're gonna run the bike without this, and we're gonna see if this really helps me, how it helps my sound. So let's give it a shot, right? Here we go. Let's go. Okay, just doing a quick test here. I snapped it. The lid just pops out. So I put it on there. I'm gonna charge it up real quick. This is the mic in the front. We'll try the mic in the back here in a second. Okay, and now I switch it to the rear. So I don't know if you can even tell a difference here in this room because I'm so close, but that's the rear. So let's go outside, let's ride the bike. And with this mod on, then we'll take it off and we'll do another ride and we'll just kind of see how it works, because I'm very curious. If this works, it'll be money worth spent and we could do some fun videos without the noise. Let's try it. Okay, everybody, welcome to the test run. This is with the Media Mod rear microphone. So we've got a lot of background noise with the bicycle, with the wind, with all kinds of stuff, and we're gonna see if this works. So I don't know. This is weird. What are they doing? Let's just ride it around a little bit, right? And we'll see. This is using the GoPro chest mount. So I got a chest mount on, which is about, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches from my mouth, right below my manly pecs. And so that's where it is locational wise. And I'm speaking out, but sometimes I'll speak down to it. I don't know if that probably would make a difference. Let's just take a ride. Let's see how this works with the speed, the sound, the wind, and see if it's worth working. If not, I don't know if I can return this, but if I can, I'll return it. Probably GoPro's not gonna let me, you never know, but I hate to, I think it's 80 bucks retail. I think I paid 60 because I had that year subscription, which gives you like a discount, something like that. A lot of trucks, a lot of people going by, so definitely get some sounds. We're gonna go here by the beach. We'll see what that sounds like. And I wonder if this thing is just too low too. Like, are you just getting like, are you getting a good position? The positioning on this is another factor. Okay. Let's see here. How bad is the wind? And do I have this thing set up right on my chest? I'm worried that it's pointed down too much. Maybe I'll fiddle with this. It's gonna walk right through here. Okay. Hey neighbor. Let me change this positioning here for a second because it's kind of annoying me slightly. I feel like it's pointed down too much. Like I need to fix this a bit, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna really know until we like do this, right? So we won't know. So okay, so forgive the positioning. I might have to adjust it a bit. I can't tell if it's pointed down too much or not on my chest. I might just need to raise it a little bit. Anyway, how's everybody doing today, man? We're doing good. It is really windy, so this should be a really good test because this is like, whoa, oh. Ladies. Anyway, I also have the wind. There's like a wind setting that is supposed to decrease all the wind. So I'm curious how that works. And I'm curious to see what that's all about. That'll be interesting. So, okay, let's go here. Let's get some speed, maybe. So again, this is the rear. We're here in Ventura, California, if I haven't told you before, and I'm using the SUPER73 S2 model, which I like a lot. It fits my needs. Never rode the RX. I am tempted to see what that back shock on the seat feels like. I feel like that would be kind of a nice experience. But you know, it's like another like $800, right? So it's like, ugh, you know, I don't know. I'm always cheap. I'm always looking for the cheap mode or whatever. Okay, I think we've done enough of this. Let's go to the front. Let's go check out what the front feels like, okay? So let me do the front. Let me change this and go to the front. Okay, everybody, now we're still using the Media Mod, but now we move to the front speaker. How does that sound? Does that sound better? Does that sound worse? A or B? It's actually a really pretty day today. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. I got this kind of cold I've had for a little while, and I still have it. It's been over a week. It kind of sucks. It's kind of annoying me, to say the least. What else is going on? I got my, you guys know about the Outgroove music channel. I'm excited about it. I'm not getting the views I want. I only have 22 subscribers, but I do like it. I do have fun doing it. So I'm gonna keep doing it and then just see what happens. Okay, let's hit some speed and see what the wind and the speed does with this sucker. I'm curious. So I'm going 30. This is as fast, this is the most wind I'm ever gonna get. I'm just curious how bad it is. So we'll do it. We'll definitely see what that's about. See how that goes. So this is the front audio speaker on the mod, the Media Mod, the overpriced Media Mod. Now I know some people use the Rode Bluetooth mic, but that was like, you know, $150, so I didn't get that. But it really sounds like that is probably the best way to go as far as doing these kind of like vlog guys for audio. I just haven't done that. You know, I'm going to Japan next year, and for Japan I'm going to be doing a lot of live streaming, so I might use that. I might get that, but I think it requires like a dongle, and I just like, you know, I got to come up with like putting the dongle somewhere on the machine, you know, and all that jazz. I mean, it's probably not that big of a deal. I could use some like grip tape, two-way Velcro tape or something, but you know, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But right now, this is the front. We're gonna take this off in a bit, and then we're going to, I'm gonna then take it off the media completely. So this week has been country week. I've been listening to country music all week, and it's been pretty fun. I listen to a lot of hip hop and jazz. Those are two of my big favorite genres. Rock, I feel like, is a genre that I just have listened to my whole life, so I don't really count it, but I guess it does count. But if you were to tell me what are the top rock bands right now, I have no idea. I'm like out of the loop on rock and roll. So, but I haven't listened to country in a couple months, so I thought I'd just spend a full week listening to just country, and it's actually kind of nice. It's kind of nice. I like it. Okay, let's stop here. We're gonna take this off, which is the Media Mod, and we're gonna go just normal, and we'll see how that goes. And then we'll get on home, see how it goes. Little guy, cute little kid. Okay, let's do that right now. Okay, we are without Media Mod. This is naked style. Let's see how this goes and see how the sound sounds with the wind. So definitely, you could totally tell it's smaller. It's like with that Media Mod, it's not that big, but it's enough to where, and I see the problem with my chest mount. With the mod, it doesn't kind of angle up a bit. It kind of angles down because of the size of it. So I might have to just fix my chest mount to be a little bit higher up on my breastbone or sternum. Anyway, enough of that. I'm just trying to talk so that you guys can see. If this really works, I'll be excited, because then I will do a lot more of these kind of videos of me traveling. Look at those beautiful surfers, man. What a great day. Why in the heck am I not out there surfing today? Well, because I'm sick, that's why. Wow, it looks nice out there. My gosh. Look at that. It looks nice. Really nice. Dang, God. Dude, loving that. Looks nice. Okay. Probably will be able to tell within like seconds if this is bad. Maybe I should just stop it here, right? And if it's really bad, you're not going to want to listen anymore. So actually that kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Why don't I go ahead and end this here. You've seen the video. You know what your thoughts are, potentially. Is the Media Mod worth it? A. B is, should we keep doing these videos with me riding my bike with the Media Mod? And that way we can like talk. And C, why don't you like this video and subscribe to the channel, as well as the Outgroove and the Art of Comics, and you'll be a superstar. Okay? So I'll put a link below for the Media Mod if you want it on Amazon. If you do that, if you get it there, I get a little kickback, which is kind of fun. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.